The Coil coil packing machine is a coil packaging system specifically designed to improve the production efficiency of slitting machines. Firstly, it can be used in conjunction with a cross-type turnstile coil storage arm, significantly increasing the efficiency of coil packaging. The coil packaging line offers complete product protection, continuous operational efficiency, and enhanced workplace safety, preventing damage to roll materials, reducing downtime, and automating heavy roll handling to minimize injury risks. Furthermore, it can provide a complete roll packaging solution for slitting machines, with a high degree of automation. Next, I will show you how it is used in conjunction with slitting machines. The coil slitting machine is operating at full speed, reaching a maximum speed of 200 meters per minute. After production, the finished coil strips is transported by a trolley into the cross-type turnstile coil storage arm, which rotates automatically for easy material storage. The coil packaging line, the roll material enters the packaging line via a turning machine for fully automated packaging and stacking. This is a continuous process. Once the overall running time is set, the coil packaging line and coil slitting machine work perfectly together for fully automated production and assembly line packaging, requiring no manual intervention and saving manpower and resources. It also greatly facilitates material storage. Summary. 1. Provides a complete coil packaging system for slitting machines. 2. Enables continuous packaging, greatly improving efficiency and saving time. 3. Effectively protects roll materials. 4. Customizes equipment to meet your needs.